Thank you so much. Well, you saw it first here on 7. Drivers dodging potholes all along the BW Parkway. The National Park Service lowering the speed limit to try and keep you safe.
Now the agency announcing repairs will start this weekend, but what will that mean for drivers? 7's on your side with Maryland Bureau Chief Brad Bell back out live in Laurel with it. Look at all the impacts of this, Brad.
I got to tell you what, it's been a mess. So look, they were going to repave this road later on this year. That is now being accelerated. That is good news for the drivers. We've done this story several times, and each and every time we've done it, we've had no problem finding somebody with a flat. 7 on your sign shined a light on this problem weeks ago. The stretch of the BW Parkway between 198 and 197 in Laurel is a crumbling, pothole-riddled disaster. Just ask Camera Oates. We found her stranded today with her second flat tire in as many weeks.
You can't even go 40 on the road. It's just not safe at all.
She says 40 because after our stories first aired, the National Park Service, which is supposed to maintain the road, responded by lowering the speed limit to 40. It hasn't helped.
It's very dangerous.
So finally, tonight, after feeling mounting pressure from drivers and politicians, the Park Service is announcing a fix. Nighttime closures this weekend for patching, and then complete repaving starting in April. Senator Chris Van Hollen sharing the news.
We've gotten the National Park Service and the Department of Transportation to enact their emergency contract authority to urgently address the situation.
Drivers like Army Sergeant Abby Gonzalez telling us it's about time.
Because this is my commute every day. And I already paid almost $300 fixing 2 tires and one of the rims because of this road.
It's so bad. We stop at this place where there's an exit ramp, and just about every driver wants to talk to us about how bad it is. So the promise is by Monday morning rush hour, things should be better because they're going to do road closures Friday night and Saturday night as well to patch the potholes. We'll have more information in the weeks ahead about when the full repaving will begin. But for drivers on this roadway tonight, a victory. In Laurel, Brad Bell, ABC 7 News.
A good step forward there.